Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a like or comment on photos where you've been tagged, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on Instagram notifications for likes and comments on your tagged photos with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you straight to your personal feed. Next, look for the menu icon at the top right of your profile screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open up the menu. From here, find and select the Settings option. This is where you can control all your Instagram preferences. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly what you want to be notified about. Now, choose Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where you'll find all the options related to activity on your posts and tagged photos. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Likes and Comments on photos of you. This is the setting that controls notifications for interactions on photos where you've been tagged by friends or followers. To make sure you never miss out, select the From Everyone option. This will ensure you get notified every single time someone likes or comments on a photo you're tagged in, no matter who they are. And that's it. You've just updated your Instagram notifications, so you'll always know when someone interacts with your tagged photos. This is a great way to stay connected with friends and keep up with all the latest activity involving you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with your Instagram notifications.